This is a whole built airplane, built from a kit. It has leading edge slats and flapper arms on the trim. So there's quite a lot of lift from those devices, those wing devices. But those airplanes are a lot of fun. Mark has flown many types of aircraft, and he maintains that is his absolute favorite airplane ever. And he uses it, and it gets wet. The amphibious floats down there allow you to land on land or water. It's kind of the best of both worlds. As we see Jon Humberd coming in now into 701, giving it a little power, coming a little long, but getting down just nicely. He lives here in Tennessee and built that airplane himself, as we said. Environment, run those tires at somewhere between 3 to 7 PSI. Very low pressure. If you think about your car, you're typically in the 35 range. That's right. Here comes the Zenith 701. You notice there are no separate flaps and ailerons on this airplane. These are called flaperons. Landing and takeoff approach. All right, as the Zenith takes off, we thank them for their sponsorship here today, but we also need to thank Goodyear Aviation. The same company that tires in the car and a long history here with. And again, from our sponsor, Goodyear Aviation, the name we called earlier, come up and see us. You've won some 26-inch Tundra tires, Bo Oglesby from Signal Mountain. Come see us, we'll get you your tires. All right, here comes the Zenith. You see he's got that thing well behind the power curve, lots of angle of attack. There's about 100, he could have done that and stopped in 150, 160 feet. That's performance. For Kansas City from Tucson, he was in a combination training and demo squadron there in Tucson, and he wanted to move back into a squadron that would deploy.
Good flying, John. That was awesome. I heard your horn coming in there.
I didn't hear it that time.
Yeah, So did the flying go well?
I thought so.
Yeah, it was great. Yeah, that last landing, that was short. That was real short.
Real smooth. Look at the wake vortex. The flower was spinning around there.
We're going to talk to him. Find out.